Do you have your old photos that are blurry and low quality? Have you ever wished you could restore them to their former glory? Introducing HitPaw Photo Enhancer, the software that can restore old, blurry and low quality photos, making them clear and high quality. There are many features of this software, but in today's video we are going to talk about the main feature. The main feature of HitPaw Photo Enhancer is Advanced Face Model. This model can restore old, blurry, low quality pictures and make them clear and high quality. Let's have a look. First, we have to upload an image. You can see the picture quality is very bad, and now we are going to fix it. You just have to select face model, choose resolution, turn on accelerate, choose the export file location and click preview. And what do you think about it? I think the magic word should be renamed as a HitPaw Photo Enhancer. Jokes apart, this is pretty amazing. Look at the detail. This is the future. You can easily export just by clicking the export button. Let's try this in another image, but this time I'm going to upload pretty bad image. Look at this picture. Nothing is clear, but we have this powerful AI. Let's see if it can fix this. And wow, simply amazing. With just few simple clicks, you can enhance the faces in your old photos, making them look like they were taken yesterday. Let's try to fix an old image with multiple people. Whether it's an old family photo or a best memories, HitPaw Photo Enhancer can help you to bring it back to life. To download this software, go to Google and search HitPaw AI Photo Enhancer, or check the link in the description below. Now click this link and download the software for free. Giveaway time. Win 1 month license of HitPaw Photo Enhancer. Giveaway rules: like, subscribe, share and comment. Only 2 people with the most like comments will win the giveaway. Deadline 24 hours. So why not give it a try and take your old photos to life. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.